How to merge classes using OxyMade's Merge feature. OxyMade provided an amazing merge class feature. We can merge unlimited classes with one click. We can enable or disable this feature, so make sure it is enabled. Let's quickly open the Oxygen Builder. In this simple example design, this dev contains 4 classes, so I want to merge all these classes into one class. So click on Merge Classes button. Here we need to enter the merge class name, let's say Feature Card. And click OK. As you can see, it automatically removed all the single classes and adds the new class Feature Card to the element. All classes styles were merged into this one class. Next, this text component contains 3 classes. I want to merge this into Feature Title. Done. Now let's do the same with the other text component. Let's delete these remaining feature divs and duplicate the edited one. I can now edit anything in one class, and it will apply to the others. And this feature eliminates all the grid-related classes, which makes no sense to merge into a class. We have successfully merged classes and created custom classes. Thank you for watching.